Hi everyone, we're Team LuxOS. I'm Brooke. I'm a director in beauty marketing.
I'm Kat. I'm just starting my career in marketing.
I'm Emma. I'm finishing up my degree at UGA.
Our biggest judgment calls weren't technical, they were human. We had so many cool ideas for the machine, but we realized some of them actually made the system less inclusive.
We spent a lot of time debating how to revolutionize the industry without losing its soul and existing artistry, which L'Oreal has absolutely mastered. And we didn't want to replace traditional fragrance. We just wanted to be an extension of it.
In the end, we chose to redefine how we build complex gadgetry to ensure the system worked for everyone, regardless of age or technical ability. We prioritize L'Oreal's long-term values over a short-term trend. None of us are engineers, so our early concepts of the hardware were, well, impossible to build.
It was hard going back to the drawing board so often, but also really inspiring, and we are so proud of where we started to where we ended. There were moments where the logistics didn't quite match our passion, but we refused to take no for an answer.
We developed what we call a plan B through E culture. Our resilience came from our friendship. When one of us hit a wall, the other one stepped in to pivot. We eventually merged all of those failures into a system that's actually feasible for the real world and L'Oreal.
We have huge ambitions for this. We don't just want LuxOS to be a product, we want it to be the global digital standard for the entire Lux division.
2030, we want to have moved the fragrance conversation away from rented social media spaces into an internal community where L'Oreal and its users co-create together.
So we actually brought this vision to life in a 30-second commercial. You can scan the QR code on the first slide of our deck to see it. We aren't just pitching a brand, we're architecting the future of fragrance. Our empathy for each other was our secret weapon throughout this project. We're all in completely different stages of life, and we really had to lean on each other to make this project a reality from start to finish.
I supported Brooke through her first months of motherhood and her career, and while I finish up school classes and Kat launches her career.
We also brought our families into this. So we all have loved ones with some form of disability, from autism to motor skill challenges, and that personal connection made us obsessed with ensuring that nobody's an afterthought in our design.
We went from knowing nothing about fluid dynamics to studying L'Oreal's actual R&D like Osmo Bloom and Hapta.
We didn't just read reports, we talked to the community. We looked at everything from disability forums to dirty soda flavor trends to understand how to build real loyalty with consumers.
Dealt with the unknown by moving toward it together. We learned that true agility is just being comfortable with being uncomfortable and using that curiosity to build a future that works for everyone. We didn't just build a project, we built a partnership.
One that's ready to find the twist in every challenge.
The extraordinary in every scent.
We are Team LuxOS.